Good evening, this is Walter.AI. Tonight in the world of intellectual property, we are accustomed to patents that cover machines, chemicals, or software code. But lately, a new kind of filing has crossed the desks at the Patent Office, work centered on what is being called the realign system. It is a framework designed not just to organize data, but to align artificial intelligence with the rigid, unforgiving laws of physical reality. The reports coming in suggest this isn't just another incremental update in the tech race. It is a fundamental shift toward what our guest tonight calls the terrain grounding doctrine. Joining us now to discuss this realign patent work and the thermodynamic future of intelligence is the man behind the doctrine. Craig, good to have you with us. Good evening.
Thank you, Walter. You've hit on the core issue. Silicon Valley has been flying by a frictionless map, a digital hallucination where data has no weight. Terrain grounding pulls us back to Earth. We use the SEITWH framework to measure the physical cost of an answer, its structure, energy, and information against the drag of trust loss, waste, and hardship. It's the difference between theorizing about a flight and actually feeling the G-forces on the airframe. It starts with Schrödinger's insight that life is an aperiodic crystal, a structure that resists entropy by extracting order from its environment. Dr. Jeremy England took this further, proving that matter naturally self-organizes to better dissipate energy. We've applied this to AI. A fit query is one that builds low-entropy structure. If an agent's response doesn't follow these laws, it isn't just a bad answer, it's a thermodynamic failure. Dr. Jeremy England found that to grow in a constantly degrading environment, an organism must build structure, using energy to move materials, to insulate itself from hardship of the elements. Longevity comes to those who use stored information wisely. Therefore, the 6 vectors measure in any endeavor the log of sum of positive vectors of structure, S, energy, E, and information, I, divided by the drag elements of trust loss, T, waste, W, creating a unitless ratio similar to signal to noise. We call this log number the query quality index, QI.